Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Hello, my name is Yussi Weisz. Today I want to prepare for you something that not too many people on YouTube ever prepared. It's not very appetizing, it's not so much fun, but it's delicious. If you like it, you love it. If you don't like it, first thing, you put on gloves. I'm not sure exactly how many bones are going to fit into this pot right now. That's one. Go to your local butcher, just ask him for some knee bones. That's two. This is three. You can put them in frozen, that's four. Okay, so this is six. Basically around 6 bones, just about to the top. I'm going to add a little flanken to this. You can add lamb to this if you want to have a little bit of lamb flavor in your gala. You want to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add my garlic in a cloth and my onions. I'm going to let this cook overnight. So tomorrow, when this is all done, I'm just schlep it out and it's done. You want to add water. You want your water just about till the top. You cover it. It doesn't have to be covered fully. You want to have it on a low flame. And that's all you have to do right here. After that is when you have to make the whole mess and the whole Ptcha, and I'll show you in a minute exactly how to do that.
Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
We prepared the gala. We let it cook all night, and we are going to have fun. I'm going to try to strain all this stuff. I'm going to take a little bit out. Now I'm going to start straining. I want the liquid, and I want all the meat and the gook that comes off the bone. Just so you know, gala is not fat. The fat's going to be on the top, and we're going to take it off once it's done. Oops, I made a mess. So all I'm going to try to do, I'm going to get the bones into the garbage. Whatever I can save off the bones that I can chop up, and I can put it into the gala. Okay, here we go. All this stuff I'm going to put on the cutting board. Let me move the pot right here. So I'll show you what's going on. All these bones gangen around the garbage. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, it's hot. Yes, it's a mess. That's why I'm making a recipe, a very large recipe, so you can put away. You can probably make around 15 containers out of this recipe. You don't want to do this every single week. It freezes very well. All you have to do is melt it down. Some of us would call that liquid gold. If you want to make a beautiful, delicious broth, you can do that too. When we make a ramen bowl in the restaurant in Snaps, the way we make the ramen full bowl, we make it with broth from knee bones. It's very hot, very, very hot. Gotta be very careful. A little bit of fat is good. Everything is gonna come out very easily once you cook it overnight. Just you don't want any bones in your gala. First thing is off with the gloves. And second thing is kacha. Listen, I don't like gala. So on the next step, if anybody wants to know why the CDC says you still need masks, that's why. You're gonna start chopping up your meat, or whatever that is, the gook. You're gonna chop it up nicely, and then you're gonna put it right back into your broth. Okay, the joke is over. I can take it off already. It's a stinkgefährlich. Hold on, no, we'll get it. All right, Chevra, this goes right back in here. All I want to do is bring this back to a boil. I'm going to add some fresh garlic. Put on fresh gloves. We have some fresh garlic right here, and we're going to chop this up. I like to add a little bit of olive oil so my garlic doesn't fly all over the place. If you try to wake up your kids in the morning and they don't want to wake up, a lot of garlic, and you put the garlic in at the end. That's gonna give your gala a nice garlicky taste. After that, I'm just gonna add my spices. I put salt already before. I put that last night. Black pepper. A little cayenne, not too much. A little smoked paprika. Boom. All we're gonna do is bring this to a little boil. The minute it starts boiling, I shut the fire, and you can put it into any mold you like. I actually once went to a simcha. However, they made the gala, they made it in a huge pot, they flipped it over, and they had like a carving board of gala. You can do that too, you can do whatever you like. So once that comes to a boil, I'm done, you pack it away. Honestly, some people call this gala, some people call this galareta, some people call it Ptcha. It has a million different names. I don't know if you came from Russia, from Poland, from this, from here, from Ahin. I have one uncle, I'm sure you heard about him, Uncle Ruben. Everybody knows Uncle Ruben, right? Okay. It is a Polish. He eats gala for breakfast. I'm gonna call him now. He doesn't know I'm calling him. Hey, Mechos, Fette Ruben, how are you?
Okay, good. Talk to me.
Hey, Mechos, I'm in the middle of doing a shoot now for kosher.com, yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
And I'm making gala. I just don't know the real name. I'm in the middle of videoing now, and I don't know what to call it. Do I call it gala, galareta, Ptcha?
No. It's called galareta. That's
Yeah.
the name that it was called.
Yeah.
And it was shortened to gala. Some people, people from Hungary,
Yeah.
called it zolts. And people in Lithuania, people from Russia, would call it Ptcha.
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 But when you grow up, it was galareta.
Because you have to understand that Polish and Galiciana call it galarette. English abgeschreven zolts. If you want to throw in a little smart aleck line, and while you're talking about it, say,
No.
some people are crazy about it, some people won't go near it. As a matter of fact, I have a friend who says he's not going to touch anything that's still moving.
I can use that on set, you're saying.
Exactly. Nice, okay?
Excellent. Uncle Ruben, I love you. All right, goodbye. Oh, mine, thank you. Uncle Ruben says galareta is the original name and it was shortened to gala. Anyway, I have to taste it, even though I don't eat this stuff. Let me make sure it has enough salt and pepper and all those. Definitely has enough salt. It has pepper and it has garlic. It's done! Took my gala out, put it away nicely. You can put it away in so many different types of containers. Look what I did. This is the next morning. Look what it looks like. Beautiful. Always try to take it out like an hour before you serve it. You don't want it to be too hard. You want it to be a little bit soft. You can put it in little shot glasses. No, you can do whatever you want. You can flip this over. There's so many things you can do with gala. But there is a little fat on the top. So what I'm gonna do is you see that? I'm gonna scrape the fat off. You don't want any fat. So after all, Chevra, gala's not so scary. It's not so bad. Especially if you have a mask when you chop up the stuff. No, for real, it's not gefährlich. And you make a big batch and you have it for a bunch of weeks. And you know what? You'll be that balabusta wife that, hey, I made gala for my husband, and then he's gonna make a kiddush and he's gonna show off to his friends. And hey, you made Yussi Weisz's gala. It's a given get. Huh? All right, let me show you what happens after this. So here we are. We took something that wasn't very appetizing to prepare, and we made it look good. Look at this. This is perfect. This is what you want to see when you make gala. I was labedik, you know what I'm saying? It has to shake a little bit. We gotta taste this now. Ma?
Yeah, copy.
Ma? I don't eat gala, so my mother does.
Only lately. I didn't eat when I was younger.
I'm gonna make a lachaim while you eat gala. I want you to taste it, and I want you to tell me the honest truth. What do you think it tastes like? The honest truth, Ma. Tell me.
Delicious.
No, for real.
Delicious.
Want a cracker?
You know what I like about it?
Yeah, I'm here.
It's not fattening. Anybody in a diet that it says keto diet, fantastic.
This is for keto. This is good for keto.
Fantastic.
How's the garlic?
Just right.
You think it needs more salt?
No, perfect. You put a lamb in this one?
I put salt,
Lamb.
lamb.
It's delicious.
Delicious. A little flanken for the meat.
Gourmet.
Gourmet.
But Eastern European gourmet.
Beautiful. Chavre, if my mother says gourmet, it's gourmet. Nobody has a more gourmet chef than my mother.
That's right.
That's for real.
You're my
She
chef.
taught me all the tricks. She taught me how to cook. She taught me what good food means. So until next time, l'chaim l'vracha. Enjoy your gala.
L'chaim.
L'chaim. L'chaim. L'chaim. L'chaim. L'chaim to life. Until next time, adios, amigos. Now, how do I flip this back?
You need a plate.
No, I need a spatula. It's too late. I messed it up. Hello? This is what happens when you're not prepared.
Uri Hashem se Shabbos.